This is the best clinic I have ever experienced. Here not only doctors are good, but from cleaners to drivers, from drivers to receptionists, from receptionists to everybody, from subordinate to who are working in management level, everybody is behaving so nicely. Good afternoon. This is not kind of any advertisement. This is just my genuine experience, whatever I have come to. Actually, this is my second hair transplant. First time I did in Hyderabad. Then somehow I got to know one of my friends recommended here because I was really little skeptical because of the small city. Somehow one of executive from QHT, he influenced me. Though I was really doubt of coming, and then I came here. And it's again, I'm telling you, it's not advertisement or something, some sponsorship. It is not some sponsorship. I'm just telling genuine experience. This is my second day transplantation. I have completed today itself, and everybody here is really nice. Nice would be a maybe lesser word. Why I can tell you? Because I had experience in Hyderabad. I know because I can compare between two. Here not only doctors are good, but from cleaners to drivers, from drivers to receptionists, from receptionists to everybody, from subordinate to who are working in management level, everybody is behaving so nicely. They'll welcome you as it is their responsibility. They'll not make you feel that you are somewhere neglected. And I don't know whether you come or not, but trust me, this is the best clinic I have ever experienced. Because hair transplant is not a very easy thing. We do research on YouTube, on internet, or we take reference from friends, doctors. You know, just I want to give you an example. One of my relatives, he is the head of plastic surgeon. Maybe you know if you search. Also, I went his clinic as he is my relatives. As his relatives studied with me in US when I was doing PhD. So I even went there. I thought of doing there, and the service is really different. That I got to know, one of my friends did there. But here, I'm telling you, and it's really everybody's trained. They are behaving so nicely, so welcomely, that would make your day and it will make you feel really you are in the right. Trust me, if you do it here, it will be the best experience and you will not regret. And again, I'm telling you, nobody asked me to do this testimonial. I'm doing from myself, having a really pleasant experience. Thank you.